Hello friends, this is your physics Sita ma'am. Today we are going to see in this session what is electric dipole. What is an electric dipole? So for this the definition is nothing but an either an electric dipole is a pair of equal and opposite point charges plus q and minus q separated by a small distance 2a. So in this figure you can see the A point and B point. A mentioned as minus q, in B side mentioned as plus q. In between the distance from A to B, separated by a small distance is 2a. This 2a is nothing but this is the length of the dipole. This is the length of a dipole. In this electric dipole, we have 2 points, A point, B point. One side is minus q, other side is plus q, separated by a small distance 2a. So if anyone is asking definition, please don't mug up the definition. Define the definition by seeing the figure. So in this figure, minus q plus q charges, both are charges, point charges. One is plus q, other side is minus q. But the symbol varies. One is positive, other one is negative. So we can define it like pair of equal charges but opposite in direction. Pair of equal charges q and q. But opposite in direction means one is minus q, other side is plus q. Separated, both are separated by distance small a. That what in definition it has mentioned. In small distance is nothing but 2a. So how to define this? An electric dipole is a pair of equal and opposite charges plus q minus q separated by a small distance 2a. So this is called electric dipole. So if anyone is asking what does AB means, you can tell this AB is nothing but 2A. What is this 2A? This is the length of the dipole. This 2A is the length of the dipole. And this direction, this electric dipole direction always from minus q to charge plus q, always from charge minus q to charge plus q. The molecules of water, ammonia behave a electric dipole. The molecules of water, ammonia, etc. behaves as a electric dipole. It is because the center of the positive and negative charges, in these molecules lie at the small distance from each other. So what is electric dipole? Now you know very well. One side is minus q, other side is plus q. An electric dipole is a pair of equal and opposite point charges plus q and minus q separated by a small distance 2a. So what is this AB? AB is a distance 2a. It's nothing but this is length of the dipole. This is called electric dipole. I hope you all understood this. Thank you. Now we'll see what is an electric dipole moment. First we saw what is electric dipole. Now we are going to see what is electric dipole moment. So in this electric dipole moment, it is defined as the product of either charge. What does it mean? What is product of either charge? Minus q and plus q. Product minus q into plus q, so that we are taking in the definition product of either charge minus q and plus q and the length of the electric dipole. What is the length of the electric dipole? That length of electric dipole is 2a. What is the product of either charge? That is q, right? So how can you write the formula? So it is defined as the product of either charge q and the length of the electric dipole 2a. So how we will write the formula for this? Its symbol represents for this electric dipole moment is P, which is P is equals to q into 2a. As the definition defined as a product of either charge is q I told you, and length of the electric dipole, product of either charge is q, product, so I put multiply symbol, and the length of the electric dipole. What is the length of the electric dipole? It is separated by distance a and b. Separated by distance is 2a. So we are taking that length of the distance AB is equals to 2a. This is nothing but the length of the distance. So that we have taken here 2a. So P is equals to Q into 2a. This is the formula we are going to use for the further derivations for axial line, equatorial line, torque. For all the cases we are going to use what is P, electric dipole moment. Based on that we are going to see so many derivations. So for that it will be very useful. Just understand product of either charge is Q and length of the electric dipole is 2a. So that we are taking the formula P is equals to Q into 2a. Now what is a SI unit? What is the SI unit of electric dipole moment? We know very well this Q is nothing but charge. Charge. Q is a charge. Q represents charge. What is a SI unit? This is Coulomb, right? So Coulomb, C represents Coulomb. So SI unit of electric dipole moment is Coulomb. And what is this? 2a is the length of a dipole. So length of a dipole we are taking in meter, right? So this SI unit is Coulomb meter. This SI unit what we are taking here, Coulomb meter. So I hope you all understood this. Thank you.